How to change language on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you want to scroll all the way down to the Advanced section, and from there click on Languages. And here you will find all the languages that you can change within the Google Chrome's app. So you can change the Google Chrome's language itself, you can change the content languages, and you can change the translation languages and stuff like that. But for this video, we will see how you can change the Google Chrome app language. So at the top, the first option says Chrome's language, and it's set to the current device language. So click on it, and here you will be able to change whatever language you want. So for example, I'm going to choose, say, French, for example, the Canadian French. Click on it, and once you do that, the language will be downloaded, the data and stuff of that specific language. And once it's done, it will be applied once you restart the Chrome app. As you can see right now, the language has been changed to the Canadian French, and you can do the same with whatever language you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change Google Chrome's language. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.